Most companies think a Power BI project means a few dashboards, some charts, maybe a report or two. But a real Power BI consultant project is not just dashboards, it's a full system that changes how your business makes decisions. The reason many companies get disappointed with Power BI is because they expect insights, but they only get visuals. And visuals without the right foundation don't solve real business problems. So let's break this down clearly. If you are working with a professional Power BI consultant, here's what you should actually expect to get. First, your data sets unified. Instead of Excel files, CRM systems, accounting tools, marketing platforms, all sitting in different places, everything is brought into one connected model. This is the foundation. Without it, nothing else works properly. Next comes something most people underestimate: fixing the data. This includes removing inconsistencies, standardizing formats, creating relationships between tables, because clean data is what turns reports into reliable insights. A good project doesn't stop at visuals, it automates your reporting. Instead of manually updating reports every week, data refreshes automatically, which means less manual work, faster access to insights, no more outdated reports. Now we get to dashboards, but not just any dashboards. A proper project includes KPI calculations using DAX, custom metrics tailored to your business, clear views of performance across departments. So instead of just looking at numbers, you are measuring what actually matters. A strong solution does not just show you data, it alerts you when something needs attention. For example, when costs exceed targets, when performance drops, when opportunities appear. So instead of constantly checking dashboards, the system notifies you. You also get automated report distribution. This means scheduled reports sent to stakeholders, subscriptions for regular updates, the right people seeing the right data at the right time. So insights don't stay inside the dashboard, they reach decision makers automatically. A well-built solution also focuses on usability. Things like clear navigation, smart filters, interactive elements, because if your team can't use it easily, they won't use it at all. And finally, your team gets trained on how to use the system, not technically, but practically, so they can navigate dashboards, understand KPIs, use insights in daily decisions, because the value is not the dashboard, it's in how your team uses it. So when you look at a Power BI consulting project, you are not paying for dashboards. You are investing in better decisions, faster insights, and full visibility across your business. That's where the real value comes from. If you're considering a Power BI project and want to understand what it should actually look like for your business, visit datapivotconsultant.com. Book a free strategy session, and I'll personally walk you through exactly what you should expect. And if this helped, share it with someone planning a Power BI project. It might save them from the wrong expectations. And subscribe for more videos like this one.